donating air or the sea. Nakuha niyo ba? So, I have to wear protective gear whenever necessary. And if there's any bystander, I am Melanie, a trained first aider. Can I help? Nakuha po ba mga kapatid? Okay, so, as instructed the bystander to help. Then you have to wear your protective barrier. Diba? Yun ang sinagkaiba. Nakuha niyo po ba? Kasi yung start natin kanina from responsive. Nakuha niyo? Di ba before naman tayo mag-begin abdominal thrust sa responsive patient, nag-assess na tayo sa procedure niyo. So this is a continuation. Now, next, check for the other steps of this trial. Trial tayo ha? Okay. Acute are you okay? Acute are you okay? Acute are you okay? Again, the patients are responsive, ma'am. Please call for help or follow-up 911. Check for the airway. This is the same procedure. Head till chin lift, stand your lips. If there's any visible obstruction, slip or your forceps. Check for the breathing. Yes. Stop. Look for the right chest wall of the chest. Count tayo. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Patients breathless. You have to give 2 RTM. Nakita niyo po ba? Pareho lang. Air bounces ba? Refill. Okay, bounces ba? Refill. Give another 2. Air bounces. Balik. Bounces ba? Okay. 3, merong obstruction. This one's my top hand. Malapit sa ulo. This one's my bottom hand. Okay, from margin, top hand, side point, add 1. Diba 1 finger lang tayo pag child, side point, add 1. Okay, bottom hand, place it above. Nakuha po ba?